What a day, guys. Ended up over $300 across the evaluation accounts, and I almost dropped the towel. It was a crazy day. In London stream, I called out this short on NQ. Unfortunately, it stopped me out, and then I entered another short, which almost stopped me out again, but eventually it got me to profit. And then I took a third trade during the New York Hill Zone, and that also yielded a very nice profit. But wow, this was really crazy. But the problem came with the Russell. After the stream, I started to short the Russell to like once stop loss, twice stop loss. And the third one, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I think I closed somewhere here a little bit earlier before the market opened. So it helped me to regain not just the losses, but to get me back to profit. But overall, this was like a roller coaster again, guys. It really was. And the accounts look like this. This is the Bulenox account, which is up from yesterday, 51,534 up to 638. The Bulenox account. The My Funded Futures account from 755 up to 851. And the Apex account from 779 to 887. So it's a slow progress, but hey, I was down like more than 150 or something. I don't even know how much, but I was down. So I'm very glad that I actually made it through. And these trades proved me that, you know, trading with proper risk management, with the proper risk to reward ratio, it works. So my entry model, I took everything based on my entry model, which you can also check at pip.ninja, so go for it. Also, you should check out the sale, which I forgot to tell yesterday. If you go with Apex Trader, it's a very good discount. Use my code. But again, I'm so thrilled to see that the entry model always proves that using a correct risk to reward always helps me. But what a morning, guys. And I just really don't think that I'm going to be looking for anything more. We tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap here after the New York Open. So might be some structure shift is happening. I'm not sure. The Russell also came down pretty much. So I cannot do anything else. Still ended up in profit. Again, check out pip.ninja. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys on the live streams.